Welcome to the video guide to lighting control solutions, in which we will focus on examples of controlling different types of lighting in different ways. The aim of this video is to present the possibilities across all portfolios. The basis of the whole solution is a dimming actuator in a boxed or modular design on a DIN rail, capable of controlling various loads. It can be resistive, inductive, or capacitive. All actuators are also able to control energy-saving fluorescent lamps and LED lights up to 230 volts. And they have a memory in the event of a power failure. These can be paired with various types of controllers in the form of buttons or switches. An important aspect in the range of models on offer, from the smallest boxed units to high-performance DIN modules for demanding applications. Our solution is also able to cover the control of high loads using a dimmer DIM6 capable of controlling up to a 2 kilowatt load. It can be extended with additional modules capable of dimming loads of up to 1 kilowatt. Such a configuration can control up to a 10 kilowatt load. Dimmers can be controlled in various ways, like 0 or 1 to 10 volts DC. It is suitable for demanding operations, such as shopping centers, industrial halls, or warehouses. We will also focus on a solution based on the iNELS wireless and bus system, capable of controlling lighting not only through physical buttons, but also using mobile applications. Let's start from the beginning with an introduction to switching and dimming relays. Each of them is able to control a different range of loads, such as a dimmer module for a DIN-railed switchboard, which is able to dim the load up to 300 watts with a minimum control pulse length of 80 milliseconds, which is also suitable for fast actions. Our offer also includes dimming actuators designed for installation in electrical installation boxes and can be located near the control element. These boxed units have a last set memory and are capable of dimming various types of loads. Comfortable control and easy installation can be ensured by wireless automation iNELS RF, in which dimmers can be found in switchboards or electrical installation boxes. These can be paired not only with wireless controllers, but also with the classic wired controller whose pulses can be captured by a unit of binary inputs. And in this variant, there is the additional possibility of dimming one or more colored LED strips of various lengths. These are easiest to control via a mobile application or via the touchscreen of the RF touch unit. Here too, the iNELS RF system can be controlled by the iNELS bus elements if a central unit with the wireless module is present in the installation. An increase in signal range can be achieved by using an external antenna that can be screwed in to either the ELAN or CU3. Let's now look at the most advanced variant in the field of lighting control. It is built on the iNELS bus installation, and its main advantages are a wide range of dimming units, DALI and DMX bus support, and advanced configuration and programming options. All commands and communication are processed by the central unit communicating with the dimmer or DALI DMX converter. Thanks to advanced features such as an astronomical module, conditional configuration, timers, and counters, it is possible to create a lighting control concept based on mixing the white temperature according to the phase of the day and the surrounding natural light. Thanks to the combination of a suitable light source and a dimming actuator, it is easy to create a suitable environment for work or leisure. In manual mode, the user can dim in various ways: gradual, smooth, dimming, or by stepping within units or tens of percent. A simple push of a button can trigger various scenes, such as turning on all the lights all at one time, and then turning them off. Let me show you how to control lighting through a smartphone application. With the help of this 3-channel current dimmer, it is also possible to control not only common types of lighting, but also RGB ceiling panels. And the unit can also communicate via the DALI or DMX bus, or rather, it works as a ballast. The multi-channel dimming unit is the latest product in this portfolio and brings the possibility of centralizing multiple controllable outputs into one module. For example, parameterization allows you to create group control of multiple lights at once. The advantage in the field of lighting is the possibility of expanding the central unit with communication converters between the bus and DALI or DMX. Up to 64 DALI ballasts of various brands, such as Helvar, Philips, s.r.o, Tridonic, etc., can be connected to each converter. Parameterization is as easy as in the case of ordinary lighting connected to iNELS actuators, and can also be controlled from a phone, tablet, or television. Thank you for watching this video, and you can find out more at the ELKO EP website in the link provided below.